Want to build your very own smart robot in just 30 minutes? With our beginner-friendly robotics kit, you can start coding and building today. Whether you're exploring coding kits for the first time or searching for the perfect STEM robot kit, this is where your robotics journey begins. Inside this STEM robotics kit, you get everything: robot chassis, robot motors, controller board, jumper wires, and an easy guide. No prior experience in robotics engineering required. First, assemble the robot chassis. Next, connect the robot motors and wheels. Finally, plug in the controller and power it up. You've just built your own DIY robot. Now comes the exciting part: coding. Step 1. Learn basic movement commands like forward, backward, and stop. Step 2. Connect your robot to the computer, select the board, and upload your first code. Step 3. Test your robot. Adjust speed. Add turns. Experiment with simple logic. That's how kids understand real robot design and problem solving. This isn't just a remote control robot toy. It's a real robot car powered by smart robotics concepts. It introduces children to robotics and automation in a fun, hands-on way. Want to level up? Add sensors and turn it into an obstacle-avoiding Arduino robot. Start building real-world robotics projects from day one. With our coding kits and STEM education kits, kids don't just play. They build, code, and innovate. Ready to create your first smart robot? Visit www.iemrobotics.com. Build, code, innovate.